On a $500,000 home in New Jersey, a seller could expect to pay anywhere from $30,000 to $50,000 in closing costs. But is that too much? Well, we're going to talk about that today. It is Tuesday, November 29th, 2022. I'm Ashley Pollard here for today's edition of Tuesday Talk, where we review common real estate and mortgage-related topics. Today's topic is, what does it cost to sell a home? Now, sellers' closing costs are made up of a lot of other smaller figures, but they can add up very quickly. The most common figures that sellers have to pay are the real estate broker commissions, and seller typically pays both buyer and seller's own agent. Any title search that's run, or if there's other title work that needs to be done, that might come with a fee. Your escrow fees, that could be any fees that you might pay for the attorney that you hire. The real estate transfer taxes that are due at closing, and also outstanding other bills. That could be unpaid taxes, that could be unpaid utility bills. Those are also due at closing. Now, this doesn't always happen, but let's say you as a seller agree to pay part of the buyer's closing costs. And you might think that's absurd, but there are many reasons why you might pay for buyer's closing costs. That could add another 2 to 6% on top of your already estimated closing cost figure. And I'm sure all this sounds like a lot right now, but consider the fact that the average homeowner today has $300,000 in equity, as quoted by my partner in his video from today. So if you haven't watched it, go check it out. Now, yes, this will cut into your pie, but with the right team to help you invest and figure out your next steps, you can take your proceeds and put them to great use. Now, if you're still undecided about your agent, hiring a great real estate team like ours to effectively market your property and provide an outstanding level of service is crucial, and will also make sure that your sale is a fair deal and that you feel informed from beginning to end. And you'll also gain new family, because we are bonded forever once we make money together. All right. Now, if you are interested in selling your home, or thinking about it, or have questions about it, or might need to sell your family member's home, please reach out to me so that I can assist you further and connect you with the amazing partners on my team so you can start to build relationships with them as well. Thank you for tuning in today. Enjoy the rest of your Tuesday, and I will see you next week.